Hi guys, my name is Arjun and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will visit Heritage Center and Aerospace Museum of HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAL is government-owned aircraft manufacturing company. There are so many heritage aircrafts in the exhibition of Aerospace Museum, but I will start with the HPT-32, a fully aerobatic pilot trainer. It designed and developed by the Aircraft Design Bureau ADB in Bangalore. It designed to cater for roles such as night flying, weapon training, and armed patrol duty. It was first fly on 6 January 1977. It was the best aerobatic pilot trainer. The next heritage aircraft of the museum is Canberra. A Canberra is a multi-role aircraft used by the Indian Air Force as a bomber, trainer, and high-altitude photographic reconnaissance. This aircraft was first fly on 13 May 1949. It was used by the Indian Air Force as a bomber. It was used to train Indian Air Force flying officers. This aircraft was capable to trace locations and attack during war. The Canberra aircraft was very popular aircraft in Indian Air Force. Two Rolls-Royce turbojet engine was used in this Canberra aircraft. The next heritage aircraft in the museum is Advanced Light Helicopter IN-701. This advanced light helicopter was used by the Indian Air Force as a troop transport, cargo carrying, and training for pilots. It was also used in search operations, rescuing people, searching the locations, searching the targets. This helicopter also known as Dhruv. The next heritage exhibition of the museum is Sea King Mk-42. Sea King Mk-42 manufactured by GKN Westlands Helicopters Limited, United Kingdom. It was used by the Indian Navy in the version of Mk-42, 42A, 42B and 42C. It was first fly on 1969. The period of operation from 1969 till date. Its role includes anti-submarine, welfare, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, search and strike, cargo carrying, and troop transport. The next heritage aircraft in the museum is Hindustan Trainer. Hindustan Trainer was designed and developed by the HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It was used for training pilots. It was first fly on August 1951. The period of operation from 1952 to 1964. It was the best aircraft from HAL. The next tallest aircraft in the HAL museum is Ajit. Ajit is single-seat aircraft, combat, and short-range ground attached fighter. It accommodates fuel internally, an integral fuel tank in the center, and has improved system lightweight fighter aircraft. Total number of production by HAL is 80. This aircraft is situated at the ground of the museum. When you entered in the museum, you first see this Ajit aircraft. This is very beautiful and unique aircraft. Its edge situated towards the sky, which looks more beautiful. And the next aircraft is Hindustan Jet Trainer IJT. IJT developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for Indian Air Force. The project began in 1999 with first prototype flying in March 7, 2003. Jet Trainer designed with a low swept wing, staggered cockpits and air intakes on their side of its fuselage. This is very powerful yet very beautiful aircraft designed by HAL. This is also known as IJT-36 aircraft. It replaced by the more powerful engine designed by HAL. Next heritage aircraft is Lakshya. Lakshya, a pilotless aircraft. Yes, it is a pilotless aircraft. High performance reusable aerial target system. It is reusable for 10 missions. It has special features of autopilot. It is very autopilot aircraft. Hybrid autopilot provides longitudinal, lateral and directional control of the target. It is very tiny but yet more powerful aircraft. It looks more beautiful. It was made by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is autopilot aircraft. There is no need for any pilot. The next heritage aircraft in the museum is Kiran. The Kiran aircraft was first flight on 1964. It designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It has turbo engine. The period of production of this aircraft from 1967 to 1989. The Rolls-Royce second turbojet engine was used in this Kiran aircraft. This model number is U784. This is very big and very stylish aircraft made by HAL. This is inside area of the museum. There are so many sample heritage aircraft situated for exhibition for public. You must visit this exhibition in Bangalore by HAL. Next is Hansa aircraft. The Hansa aircraft has designed and developed by National Aerospace Laboratories in Bangalore. It was ideal for training of pilots, day-night flying at capacities of flying protection. This was a small but the powerful aircraft. It is especially used for the training of the pilots. Now I have come inside the museum again, and this is Pushpak aircraft. And one more small helicopter is there. This is light observance helicopter. There are so many sample and heritage and stylish aircrafts are there. You must visit this very beautiful museum by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. You will learn many things about the aircrafts, history of the aircrafts. This location situated near Old Airport in Bangalore. And again one more aircraft in the museum is Marut. Its model number HF24. It is a trainer aircraft, twin seat, twin engine and trainer aircraft. It was first fly on June 1961 and designed and developed by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Period of production from 1954 to 1977. And the last exhibition in the museum is MiG-21M fighter aircraft. This is very unique and heritage fighter aircraft. It was built under the license with USSR. It is a fighter aircraft made by the HAL. Guys, hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video, like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.